Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Login Helps. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into your Talbots credit card account using your desktop. If you'd like to get access to your credit card account right away, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start off by opening up your web browser. In the address field at the top of the screen, type in Talbots credit card login and press enter on your keyboard. From the search results displayed on the next page, click on this first link that says manage your account. Once you click on that, you'll be taken to a new tab. This is a sign-in area that is being displayed on the screen. Go ahead and type in your username for your Talbots account. Make sure to type in your information correct. Now, head over to the password field and type in your password. Make sure to double check your password before moving on by clicking on the little eye icon or the show link at the corner of the password box. In case you've forgotten your username or your password, you can click on forgot username/password link and follow the instructions in order to look for your username or to reset your password to a new one. If you've not enrolled into online access yet, you can click on the register for online access link and register yourself by following the on-screen prompts. Finally, after you're done typing in your information correct, and if you'd like the system to remember your credentials in the particular device, click on this Remember Me box before moving on. But if you're using a public device or a shared mobile device, leave the box unchecked. And finally, click on the Sign In button if you want to log into your account. That is how you should be able to get access to your credit card account for Talbots. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, do give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos again. Thank you for watching.